In the 1990s, a French musician converted emissions of the Vela pulsar from official NASA data into audible sound. Here's the result he got. Since space is a vacuum, you would not be able to hear anything if you actually went and stood next to this pulsar. However, such techniques are the best way for us to perceive objects as distant as the Vela pulsar. The sound you heard just now is caused by the rapid rotation of the Vela pulsar. It rotates about 17 to 18 times per second, causing differences in its emission towards Earth.